Doobers, we're gonna put cascade below. And then have some soup. There you go. Yeah, just gonna put it in the thing. So just gonna do it. Putting your coffee craft in, cascade below, and cascade cog or coffee called. So yes. So yes, pish.